Photography is a craft that requires constant refreshers. I almost use the word touch-up, but I don't want you to think that I mean putting your photos into an editing program over and over again. What do I mean by refreshers? Practice, practice, and more practice. When you're finished practicing, then go practice some more. Seriously. I don't know where you are with your photography. Perhaps you have a year's experience, 2, 3, 5 years. Maybe you're just beginning and you're here just out of curiosity. You want to know what it means to be a professional photographer. No matter how much experience you have, 10, 20, half a year experience, practice and more practice will benefit you. Fine-tune your skills every opportunity you have. Now, by no means am I suggesting that you live, eat, and breathe photography. I mean, you have to have a life. But do get yourself out with your camera and take photos even if you have no plans to sell them. Often, professional photographers create personal projects to improve their skills while they're not working for clients. The projects could be anything that interests you or something that you're curious about. A project could also be for a cause or a charity that you'd like to help out or even promote. You could even do something that is completely off the wall and quirky. I mean, the possibilities really are endless. And no matter what your project may be, the activity will give you opportunities to fine-tune your photography skills and even allow you to explore new photography techniques. For the last 7 years, I've been photographing London at night. Now, that's a long personal project. In the process, I pretty much have mastered night photography, and mostly without a tripod because I don't want to carry a tripod around the city. This project, a personal project, has really turned into a book, and I've submitted it to publishers. From there, my love of night photography turned to photographing landscapes all over the world under the full moon, which I absolutely love. Fascinated by the full moon. Since the full moon happens only once a month and 12 times a year, I doubt that I'll be finishing this project anytime soon. What will I do with the photographs from the full moon project? Well, at the moment, I have no idea, and that's okay. There are 2 other personal projects I worked on, both revolving around the city of El Paso, Texas, and the landscapes of West Texas and southern New Mexico. Both of the projects, which took a period of time, both of them turned into books, and those 2 books became the fastest selling books for my publisher. Big surprise. In fact, one of the books was named one of the best books of Texas for the year. So you really never know what can happen. With personal projects, I'm really doing what I love, and I'm photographing subjects and scenes that truly interest me. And then the marketer in me, I'm pretty much a marketer, turn the projects into income. You can create your own personal projects and at the same time fine-tune your photography skills through practice. Give this some thought. What will your project be?